lines. Sometimes people want lines in their charts. So let's add a config for show horizontal lines. Okay, and we'll come down here. We're going to put this behind everything again. Put this right up here. And we'll say const. We'll get the gap again. And data.map. Should probably have put that in here. Data and data.length is greater than 0 and show horizontal lines. What's wrong with all that? We'll come back to that. Look at it in a minute. Here, so we're going to turn a G. We'll make a line. X1 is going to be the X margin. Oh, and then right here we need to say const y equals container height minus y margin minus gap times index y1 equals y, x2 x margin y2 is equal to y stroke axis color stroke width axis width. I don't remember what we have to look at what we called it, and then the opacity. So if we render the lines, that's for our stroke width, right? We'll take this guy and sneak him way up here. Let's go back down here and see where our redness is coming from. Okay, there's some horizontal lines. Maybe like 0.1 is probably best, even if you really want to show them. Yeah, maybe 2. That's not too bad. You can put in the color if you want. Let's do vertical lines while we're in here real quick. line opacity. We're going to say const. We get our gap. It's going to be calculate width. And return data.map. Const x equals x margin plus gap times index. And return a G with a key. Vertical line index line x1 is equal to x, y1 is equal to container height minus y margin, x2 is going to be x, y2 is going to be y margin, stroke, we'll just grab these. And this will be vertical. And there's some vertical lines. Sweet. Now I am going to turn them back off because I do not like them. But I figured I'm throwing them all in just in case you get stuck with something. I kind of like that. Alright, in the next video we're going to add some tooltips and then maybe move on to some animation.